How to fix missing microphone voice input on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you simply need to open any messaging app like Notes, Messenger, WhatsApp or anyone. Now from here, you simply need to open your keyboard. On your keyboard, you will see different options like the stickers, GIF, clipboard, settings and the paints like icon. In order to fix missing microphone voice input, tap on the gear icon to get access to the settings section of keyboard. Here you will see different options. Scroll down, select voice typing option, and here you will see the option of use voice typing which has been disabled. Toggle the button on tapping the button and you need to come back to the same text section. And on your keyboard at right side, you will simply see a voice like icon. So from here, you can easily input the voice and type in anything. Let's say, let's tap here and hi. And it is easily written as a text on our notepad. So in this way, we can successfully fix missing microphone voice input on Android keyboard. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.